everyone, it's Katie from Paradise Falls family. In today's vlog, we'll be doing a short hotel review covering Beamish Hall Hotel in County Durham. A beautiful location and a relaxing countryside break which holds a special place in our hearts as it's where Greg and I actually got married back in 2010. If you're new to our channel, we're a family of 4 who love to travel the world together, and we create informative family travel vlogs. We cover the places we've visited and show our own experiences with the aim of helping you make the most of your trip. We've covered loads of places already, from Europe to North America to Asia, so make sure to subscribe and check out some of these videos. You can also find us on Instagram, TikTok, and we have our own website, www.adventuresxparadise.com, which has travel guides and our top tips. So back to today's video and Beamish Hall. Here we'll cover the hotel itself and its facilities, its location, and some of the things you can get up to around the hotel, as well as the rooms themselves. I've bookmarked the sections so you can find your way around and skip to the bits most useful to you. Beamish Hall Hotel is a charming 4-star country house and hotel set within 24 acres of picturesque parkland in County Durham, offering a blend of historic grandeur and modern comfort. Dating back to the 13th century, the hall features individually beautifully decorated rooms, all designed to provide a relaxing retreat. You can also enjoy food at the Stables Bar and Restaurant, located in the beautifully restored 18th century stable block. Known for its great food and warm hospitality, we always receive a wonderful welcome and are well looked after here. As I've mentioned, Beamish Hall also serves as a popular venue for weddings and events, and we couldn't recommend this highly enough, as our own wedding was absolutely magical here. We got married here over 15 years ago now, but have such amazing memories of the day, which is why we try to get back here for our anniversary each year. In the past, one of our trips coincided with a wedding open day, so we were able to see some of the rooms we used all dressed up as they would be if being used for a wedding. We actually got married in the gorgeous Shafto Hall and had our reception in the Mombusha suite, both of which can be seen in footage here. Beamish Hall is located in Stanley, a peaceful part of County Durham surrounded by woodland, yet perfectly placed for exploring some of the North East's most iconic attractions. Its location makes it ideal for history lovers, families, and anyone wanting a relaxing countryside base with plenty to do nearby. Beamish Hall is set within acres of parkland that give it a secluded country house feel while still being close to major towns and cities. Durham's historic centre, with its cathedral, castle, shops and riverside walks, is only a short drive away. And Newcastle is also easily accessible for culture, nightlife and some great shopping. In the more immediate vicinity is the world-famous Beamish Museum, an open-air living history museum that brings the 1820s, 1900s, 1940s and 1950s to life. Visitors can wander through recreated towns and villages, ride vintage trams, watch traditional crafts and sample old-fashioned treats. It's a huge site with hands-on activities, heritage transport and immersive experiences, perfect for families and history enthusiasts alike. Due to its location, the hall is only really accessible by car and not public transport, but there's plenty of free parking on site, so this really isn't an issue. Moving on to the hotel facilities. Being a listed house, the hotel is a little light on what you'd call traditional hotel facilities. However, it more than makes up for this with the wonderful grounds. The grand entranceway and lobby is incredibly beautiful and atmospheric, with numerous rooms located off of here that are used for weddings and events. The rest of the building comprises of the guest rooms, but you can pop across to the Stables Bar and Restaurant out of the back of the hotel. The Stables is one of our favourites, offering breakfast, lunch and dinner, often included with dining packages available when you book a stay at the hotel. The setting is wonderful and cosy, and the food and value are both excellent. Breakfast includes a cold selection available to help yourself to, including cereals, toast, fruits and yogurts, etc. And then they have hot options such as a full English breakfast available to order. So this is the breakfast selection. You've got a nice mix of pastries, lots of fresh fruit and yogurts, moving on to some cereals as well. And then this is a self-serve coffee machine. It's got things like coffees, hot chocolates, that type of thing. Some hot water for teas there as well. And then the fruit juice dispenser and glasses. It's got apple and orange juice. And then all of the jams, butters, Nutella and Marmite to go on your toast. And then there's the bread and a toaster to make it yourself. In terms of dinner, there is a great array of food on offer, often made with local produce such as fish and chips, steaks, burgers and much more. And it serves a brilliant Sunday roast dinner with great options for vegetarians and allergies too. They also have a separate kids menu and a great cocktail menu. We can't recommend the Stables enough and always make sure to have a meal or two here when we visit. In terms of the grounds themselves, these are beautiful and you can wander freely to make the most of the outdoors. Keep an eye out for the various events that are held throughout the year, such as the Christmas ones, as these are always great fun to combine with a stay. Moving on to the rooms themselves. There are a range of room types on offer, starting with classic double and twin rooms, along with the deluxe rooms for a little bit more space, and premier rooms if you want to go all out. All are very comfortable, but we always like to treat ourselves to a premier room, which is what we stayed in for our wedding. These come with amazing double jacuzzi baths, as well as a walk-in shower and views over the gorgeous gardens. These rooms are massive and so lovely and relaxing to stay in, so we feel they're worth that extra bit of money. Lastly, you can also stay in the Sharon apartment, which sleeps up to 7 if you're in a bigger group. So we're in room 208, which is like, I think it's a premier room. I think that's what it's called. I'll confirm that when I've double checked. But yeah, it's a huge room. Absolutely gorgeous. Got nice big TV here and set of drawers. Quirky old school telephone as well, which is quite cool. Lovely little dressing table here. Got information about the breakfast and the Stables pub where you can go for dinner. Some free water, which is lovely. That would be a lovely dressing table if you're getting married here. So we had the room just below this one when we got married. Similar size room, slightly different decor. And the views are out, that's the car park there. But then the front of the hotel, was it going to focus? Just around there, you can't properly see it here. But the grounds are beautiful. Nice sofa here. Loads and loads of room. So if you are getting ready for a wedding or you're a group at a party here, it's great. Kettle, biscuits. Windows all around, which are lovely, lots of light. And then some bedside tables, a gorgeous 4-poster bed. Nice little sitting area here. I think they've left us a little card. I've not opened that yet. We'll see what that says in a minute, and some chocolates. But yeah, this hotel's so special to us because we got married here in 2010, so quite a while ago now. Nice big wardrobe as well. And another bedside table. I think that room, probably an adjoining room, so you could have the room next door and leave that open if you wanted. And just inside of the big wardrobes, you've got a big safe, got 2 bathrobes and a fan as well, which I get really hot in hotels, so I love it when there's a fan if there's not air conditioning. And just the key as well, so they still use really old school actual keys here rather than key cards, which I always think is really nice. And then into the bathroom. Nice big sink and vanity area, a mirror, a lovely big shower. Got a rainfall shower head as well, which is great. And then through to a huge jacuzzi bath. So there's quite a few rooms in this hotel have this bath. And it's just a lovely, lovely touch. And then the toilet, and then another sink here, a mirror. So yeah, ginormous bathroom, probably the biggest bathroom in any hotel room we've ever had. And the shower has some shampoo and body wash right next to it. And then there's some hand wash over by the sink here as well. So that's our review of Beamish Hall Hotel. Maybe we're completely biased, but the service and hospitality we receive from the staff here is truly the best in the world. A proper friendly northeast welcome where nothing is too much trouble and people go out of their way to make your stay so special. Hopefully this has been useful in helping you plan your own stay. If there's anything we've missed or any questions you have, then just ask in the comments below and we'll always do our best to help. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel as it really makes a big difference to us. We've got lots more videos coming soon, including our upcoming Disney cruise through the Panama Canal. We've got lots of videos already on our YouTube channel and information on our website, so please check those out for more family-based travel guides. Thank you all so much for watching.